Hello everyone, this is Jin. What is the most headache problem when you spray polyurea? I think the pinholes must be contact one. When we spray polyurea on the polyurethane foam or the concrete, if you are not do the surface preparation right, you will get many pinholes that will be a nightmare. So usually we will apply a layer of putty after the primer, but the traditional putty is hand applied, which is very low efficiency. So today I will introduce our new product, the Pinhole Killer Elastomeric hot spray low-speed polyurea putty. This putty is sprayed by the polyurea machine, which is very high efficiency, and it is longer gel time, so it can fill most of the pinholes. And in addition, it is solvent-free system, so it's very environment friendly, and it can be sprayed both the horizontal or vertical surface without sagging. It also has good strength and elongation at break, which can release the pressure of the substrate deformation. And it also has longer record window. It allows to spray polyurea directly to the putty after it's tax-free and within 48 hours, and it will get very good adhesion. Here I can show you some tests. This panel is the cement. So we spray the polyurea directly on this panel without any surface preparation, and you can see we got many pinholes here. And this one, first we apply a layer of primer and then spray polyurea. You can see we get less pinholes, but it still has pinholes here. Okay, the last one is apply the primer first and then the spray putty and then polyurea. You can see we got none pinholes here. And actually we have achieved several projects with this system successfully. This solution allows to spray 1,500 square meters projects within 4 days. So if you guys have interest, please feel free to contact us. This is my email and WhatsApp. Polyurea technology, as one of the most professional R&D polyurea manufacturer in China, will keep developing high quality and the most advanced material to our customers. So thanks you guys for watching today. See you next time.